Open the operation flow. Find the operation flow. Drag into any box. Find the operation flow settings panel. You can set the loop delay or the number of loops. After enabling the loop, you can set the number of loops and loop delay. Click the icon to jump to the operation flow page. Drag the plugin into the loop page on the plugin panel. Set the loop delay on the loop settings page. Once the settings are completed, it can be used on the device. Find the carousel. Drag into any box. Set the carousel switching time or title. Click to jump to the carousel settings page. Drag the plugin into the carousel flow page. Set the carousel switching time. After the settings are completed, you can see the carousel automatically looping in the settings. When you need to use it, just click the icon to realize it. Find single step in the toolbar. Drag into any box. Set the title and current status. Drag the plugin into the single step settings panel. After completing the single step settings, press the icon on the device to perform a single step jump.